Hi, teacher. Today we're going to talk about our project called Macom. The members are Alfaro López Antonio, Cubos Padilla Yael, Alejandro, López Barradas Norarlen, and Montiel Garcia Edwin. So let's start. First, today we are going to talk about what is Macom, which is a compression machine designed for the practical designers of metrology and materials technology course. So we can see this image about the compression machine.
This machine will help you carry out compression tests to understand the strength and deformation of different materials. One fourth is applied, allowing for hands-on learning rather than just theoretical.
Its structure is made with a frame of sheet metal and steel profiles, a hole screw with a handle, and a movable plate where pieces are placed to apply compression.
With this project, we aim to reinforce topics covered in class, such as material strength, stress analysis, and dimensional metrology, and apply them in a practical way by building the machine ourselves from scratch.
Point two, overall experience.
During the execution of this project, my experience was very positive because I learned to use tools like the hacksaw and the caliper and to manufacture parts with precision.
I really enjoyed practicing, filling, and assembling parts. Since it was the first time I built something this big and was able to apply what we have learned in drawing and measurements.
It was also very satisfying to see how each part we made came together into the final assembly, showing the result of our teamwork and all the effort we put in.
This experience helped me reinforce the importance of organization and communication within the team because if something wasn't well planned, it relied everyone.
Point three, problems faced.
One of the problems we had was the lack of basic materials like metal sheets and iron parts, and also that some machines weren't available at school.
Another problem was that due to the school situation, we had to go to the external workshop to use tools like the grinder in order to finish the piece we cut with the hacksaw.
We also faced problems with inaccurate measurements because some parts didn't fit well or were placed the wrong way, as we didn't double check before cutting or drilling.
In addition, at the beginning, we had some difficulties with task coordination because it wasn't clear who should do what, and that caused delays in the project progress.
Point fourth, solution applied.
To solve the lack of materials and tools, we organize ourselves to go to external shops during available hours so we could use the grinder and continue the manufacturing process.
Regarding measurements, we started checking each dimension 2 or 3 times before cutting or drilling to avoid errors that could daily use.
For the pieces that didn't fit, we adjusted them using files and then the grinder until they had the correct dimensions and could be assembled properly.
Finally, to improve coordination, we implement a daily activity log and progress reviews, distributing task so that everyone knew what they were responsible for and we could finish on time.
Thanks for watching our video from our project called Macom, and see you the next time.